Hi guys, today I will explain how to change sequence setting in Premiere Pro. This process is simple and easy, and you can see I open the application and open a project. And currently my sequence setting is for long-form videos, means the videos which we create for YouTube channels, and you can see the format of it. Now in order to change, we don't need to create a new sequence. We can also change the sequence setting, and how can we do it? Take a look on the left top. You will see a lot of options, and from these, click on the option sequence. And on the top, you can see the option of sequence setting. Just click on it, and here you will get the frame size. In order to create short videos like we create for TikTok or for Instagram Reels, we need to replace these, so just change the number. After finishing, click on the option OK. And then click on the option OK. And as you can see, the sequence has been changed to short videos. So using this method, you can change sequence setting of Adobe.